Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the defective bottle detection using image processing and machine learning. So you can see no bottle is found right now, and once you show the bottle, then it will show bottle is defective because I have crashed this bottle. Okay, it works on the proper bottle and the defective parts. Okay, let's upload an image. You have to select image from dataset, this bottle is defective. Okay, you can see the bottle is already crashed. Let's select any other image. Okay, now you can see that bottle is proper, so it will show the bottle is proper. This is the about us page. Click on the OK and then click on the exit button. So there is yes and no option. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.